Hey there, English language learners. Today I want to show you a really useful thing you can do with AI to create sort of quizzes and interactive activities to help you remember grammar points, maybe even vocabulary as well. This can be done easily and for free using tools like Google Gemini or ChatGPT, though I would recommend Google Gemini because I think it works a little bit better. For this, you're going to need a prompt, and then you can put this prompt and use it again and again just by changing a few of the words. All right, let's have a look at the prompt first. You can see this prompt here. It says, create an interactive activity to check my understanding of the present perfect. You can change that to any grammar point you want, past simple, passive, whatever you want to study. It says, give me around 10 questions to answer, but draw from a pool of around 100 possible sentences. This is so that every time you come back to that link and do the quiz again, it will give you a different set of questions. So you're checking something new each time. You can make that 1,000 possible sentences, but I've just put 100 here just for ease. It says make sure the activity checks not only the form but also the meaning of the structure. And it says make it responsive for mobile devices and visually clear using buttons and colors. For incorrect answers, provide clear explanations why it's wrong and explain the correct answer. Make the language of the task instructions and explanations appropriate for EFL students and here we've got the level. Depending on your level, if you're an elementary learner of English, put elementary, but you can put others here, beginner, intermediate, upper intermediate, advanced, proficiency, etc. I'll put this prompt into the description below. All right, so we've got this prompt. I'll copy this and I'm going to go to Google Gemini. Now, the important thing to change here when you're in Google Gemini is to go to where it says tools. You can see here it says tools. If you click and go down to where it says Canvas, Canvas is the tool used for sort of writing code. You don't need to know how to write code because it will do it all for you. So if I just put that in and I pop in our prompt and submit. Okay, it will take a minute or so to create this. You can see it's starting to create the code. Okay, you can see now it's created that and we've got this quiz and we can just preview it in this window here. And it says start quiz and you can see it gives you 10 questions on the present perfect. Okay, it gives you the feedback as well, explaining why. And yeah, here it's like for and since, etc. Let's get one wrong. Okay, and you can see it gives you the reason why it's wrong there as well. Okay, so it's created this quiz. We know that when we come back to this quiz, the questions will be different. So it will sort of pull from the 100 possible questions. Now, obviously, what you want to do is to be able to sort of find this quickly and easily. What you can do is create a link from the quiz. If you look at the top right here where it says share, if you click on share and then share again, you can see it says shareable public link for Canvas. You can just copy that and then just save that as a bookmark. I'll put it into a new tab here. All right, and you can see I can then do this quiz and you can see it's got different questions there. So you can just come back to that link quickly or maybe even share it with your friends. If you're a teacher of English, you could create this and share it with your students. All right, I hope you found that useful. Like I said, Google Gemini is the best one to use for this. It seems to work better than ChatGPT for creating this kind of interactive activity. Use the free version. You shouldn't have to pay for this. The canvas works on the free version as well. And use it to create activities across different grammar structures, maybe even vocabulary as well. And it's a great way to check your understanding of English and different grammar structures. All right, hope you found it useful. Bye-bye.